What's going on, guys? Jonah here, and today, guys, I'm teamed up with my brother Eric. He's not here right now. He's actually driving home from school. Unfortunately, I don't have my friend Steven here also because I don't think he's available to come today. We'll see though. Today, guys, we'll be building my gaming computer with my brother Eric, so that's exciting. I should be home any minute now, so I'm gonna wait. Sorry for the cringy ass intro, but that's what you guys are going to expect on this channel. Really excited because now I can live stream with you guys, so that's really awesome. I can actually play a lot of games, record it for you guys, and really happy because I never had a gaming computer before, so this should be exciting. Yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you when we're in the process of building the computer. So, see you guys in a minute. Alright, it works. Installing Windows. Is it working? What is it?
Nothing. Didn't do anything.
Oh, what was that? Keyboard's not in, dum-dum. Okay. Oh, what did you do?
That's the only button.
God damn it, fatty.
And then it works.
Alright guys, that's all the time we have for today. I'm glad that Eric helped me with my PC. Right, Eric?
Yeah.
So it works and everything. What is it doing? Wait, how do we get rid of this thing right here?
Right now, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Why don't you want to detect that?
Wait, is there like an on button for the lights? Ah, where was it?
It doesn't like 3.0.
Should we ask Steven?
No.
Okay.
Only do.
Alright guys, anyways, thank you for watching. Eric, say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll update you in a bit. See you in the next video, guys. Alright guys, so I have Steven here. Yesterday we couldn't install Windows for some reason because my brother gave up. But Steven is a good friend of mine, so he came after school and fixed it for me. And as you can see, guys, Windows 10 is on there. PC's
Yeah, look at
working.
the inside of the PC.
How cool is that?
Yeah, there's not really good lights, but
Yeah, my camera shit. Looks really cool. Yeah, guys, that's a little update. I know I already did an intro, so this is like a bonus clip. So what do you think, Steve?
good.
So now Steven is downloading Sony Vegas and Photoshop. That should be good.
Yep.
So thank you, Steve.
No problem.
Alright guys, see you in the next video. Love you all. Take care.
See you soon.